Let's look at what we have learned in this course together. How to decide if a word is countable or uncountable. Start counting 1 orange, 2 oranges, and visualize them. Can you do that? Then it's a countable noun. Things which we cannot easily break or split into elements are uncountable. Can you split love? No, the word love is uncountable. If you hear an uncountable noun in the plural, such as times, lights, coffees, think about it. You're smart. You will realize that they have different meanings. We also learned how to use containers and quantities with uncountable nouns to make them countable. You have some great tips on how to memorize the usage of much and many. You also know the difference between little and a little, few and a few. And you've made friends with lots of, a lot of, and plenty of, because we just love them. We learned that much is a bit tricky. We usually use it with negatives and questions. Don't forget the tips on how to memorize the usage of some and any. That was it. You finished this course with TubBuddy TV. I hope you enjoyed learning with me, and I will see you next time to solve more mysteries of English language together. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest, and make sure you're signed up for email updates to find out about everything that's happening on TubBuddy TV. Thanks again and see you soon!